is he from? Who is he? Can you tell me something about Tony Robbins, right? Hi, good evening.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also good.
May I know your good name?
Pooja Kumari.
Hi, Pooja. Where are you from?
I am from Delhi.
All right. And what do you do?
I am as a working professional and from the in an organization, I am doing a backend executive and as well as learning selling skills.
All right. So you are a back-end executive for an organization.
Yes,
What is the name of your organization?
it's a rule-based trading organization.
All right. Great. Do you like your work? Do you enjoy?
Yes, I
All
love it.
all right. Good. So, Pooja, tell me, how are your sessions going on?
Yeah, from yeah, it's going awesome. I'm
Yes.
learning a lot and also I'm learning a lot and also developing myself. Suggested by the tutors that what should you do,
I'm
what
also
should
learning
you
new
do.
things, learning from my mistakes, right? All
Yeah,
right.
right. Yes, right.
Have you gone through the session notes?
Yes, I have.
Tell me, are you comfortable doing this topic, significant moments in history?
Little bit.
Shall we do something else?
Yes, definitely.
All right. So there are many things that are trending nowadays. Let's talk about trending. What does trending means? Something that is very in. Can you tell me what does trending means, Pooja? Your mic is mute, Pooja. Your mic is mute. Yeah, tell me.
Yes. Trending. Yeah,
Tell me.
now it's trending. AI automation things is going on. Trending
Artificial
things.
intelligence is trending,
Yes.
right? What does it mean for you? What does AI mean to you?
AI like automated system is going on like robotics, like electric vehicle. Nowadays, electric vehicles comes in the market because due to there is the lots of pollution happening. Lots of pollution is happening, so that's why.
Yes. So, electric vehicles have launched in the market, not come in the market, launched, launched
Electric
in the market.
vehicle have launched in the market.
Yes. Electric vehicles recently have been launched in the market. All right.
Okay.
Right. So, apart from AI trending, there are many other things are trending. Trending in clothes, lifestyle, fashion, skincare. Do you follow any kind of a trend you might have seen on Instagram, Facebook? Do you follow anything?
Yeah, sometimes whenever I need something, then I go to social media like Amazon, Flipkart, and there is the like lifestyle like fashion clothes is in trending. Almost like if I say then right now means from my friend circle, trending is going on like iPhone.
Okay.
iPhone is
Everybody
in
wants
trending.
to have an iPhone.
Yes, yes. Like whenever thinking, I mean, whenever I'm seeing to every surrounding people, then they have a means iPhone 14. Someone have iPhone 13, 15 like that. So
Yes.
it's going.
When we say iPhone, Pooja, we should always put an and before an iPhone. So
And
every single
iPhone.
yes, so every single person that I see around me has an iPhone, and I too wish to have one.
Yes, right.
Can you say
Yes.
it? Can you say how I have said?
Uh, can you
Ev-
repeat?
Every
If
single person that I see around me is having an iPhone, and I too wish to have one.
okay, every single person around to me, it is
Around me, not around me, around me.
okay. Every single person is around me is having an iPhone. So I also wish to have this,
One. Have one.
have this
Or
one, have
not this one, have one.
okay,
Have
have one.
yes. So tell me, trending versus comfort. Should we just blindly follow every trend, or we should also see what suits us, what is comfortable for us?
Yeah. Yes, we can't. We means we could not follow like blindly,
Yes,
all
we
the
cannot.
trends.
We cannot follow blindly.
We cannot follow blindly the trending market, because whenever we have any need anything about anything, then we definitely research about it, then we definitely research and research all the things, and then we decide that we should buy or not.
Yes,
So it's happening. Not every
yes,
time we can follow the trend and just go through it. We have to also see our budgets and our
yes. Our
expenses.
budget, our comfort. We should not end up being like everyone else. We
Yes,
should also
right.
see our comfort, right?
Yes.
Which trend do you follow the most, Pooja?
Recently, I am for following. If I say in social media, I followed if I said not the it's a price factor. It's not a price factor. It's a social media growth. So
Okay.
recently, I'm following the social media growth, like how to grow myself in the social media platform like Instagram, YouTube. It's also a trending.
Yes.
When you post educational facts, educational things into the social media, then there is also a trending, like trending songs, trending videos, trending
Right.
motivational speaker. Also, this is not a price, but it's also going in trend nowadays.
All right.
So that kind of things I consume it, and also follow it, and I also consume it and do it myself to develop myself, and as well as I want to develop. Actually, I am also creating a YouTube channel, posting a videos. There also I'm learning also, and also I am educating to other person who really needs. So
All right. So you're educating others, and you're giving them tips. You're whatever you are sharing. So you want to be a part of this social media where you can post, and people follow you. They try to understand what you're doing.
yes, right.
Do you have any mentor in life, or do you follow any celebrity, and you think that how they have made their life and how they portray themselves? Do you learn anything from anybody?
Yes, if you say like mentor, then yes, I have a mentor. I learned NLP
It's not a mentor. It's like, do you have a mentor? Mentor, not a
mentor.
mentor. Yeah.
Mentor means
Same, the person who guides you.
okay, okay.
Yes,
So
person, somebody whom you follow, right? A mentor, somebody whom you follow.
mentor,
Yes,
mentor.
he
Okay,
is your ed. advisor, he assesses you, he advises you. That is a mentor.
Yes, I follow Tony Robbins. If you see, he's a big celebrity, and uh, he like changed around 100 lakh or more than that people in creating changing their life. So I follow them because I am into right now I am into a self
Follow them,
improvement, self development.
follow them or him.
I follow him.
Yes. Okay.
I
I
follow him. Yes,
So who is he? Where is he from? Who is he? Can you tell me something about Tony Robbins, right?
yes. Tony
Yeah.
Robbins is in live in America, US. Okay, and he is a world's number one best life coach, business coach, if you say.
Okay.
He is changing around 110 lakh plus people's life, 100 lakh or 10 lakh plus people's
Yes.
life.
Okay. So now when we don't know the exact number, Pooja, we can
Mhm.
say that he has made a difference to a lot of people, or he has impacted many lives. Means people follow him, they learn. So we can't say that he has 10 lakhs something something. You are confused regarding number. Don't
Yes.
say a number, say the sentence in a different way.
Okay. He
Yes,
has impacting many people's life.
he has impacted many lives and continues to do so. He has impacted many lives and continues to do so
Okay. He
because
has
he is still
impacted. Yes, yes, still doing.
doing, right?
He has impacted many lives and continues to do so.
Yes. So, what is the biggest learning you have taken from him? Share it with me.
Biggest learning that it's a mindset. Means if you like, I am giving you the example, one example that whenever we face any problems, we think why is it happening to me? Okay, all time we think about that. Why is it happening to me? All time. But if you change this sentence, that if means don't think like why is it happening to me. Change the question. If this happening to me, means what should I do? Means what should I work upon? Okay,
Yes. What are my
and
shortcomings? How should I
yes,
work on it?
yes, yes. How it is work means how we can means you have to change the perspective, change the question. Means Tony Robbins is always saying that you have to change your perspective, your vision, your alignment, your mindset. When you
Yes.
change like that means because our mind don't know what is wrong, what is right.
Okay.
Our mind always think about what should we feed. Means we always feed like, yeah, this if I take money from you, then if I say that yeah it is right, then our mind also said that yeah it is right. But if
Yes.
I said that it is wrong to take money from him, from her, so it is wrong. So means mind have no
We should have the ability to control our thoughts.
yes, yes, we have a ability, and if we think that means if we think in the positive aspect, then all situation which things means if you are facing right now a very big problem, big issues in your life, then if you change your perspective like what should I do and what should I means in a positive way, when you think like in a positive way, then suddenly situation will change. Means you will
Yes.
get the answer from from the
Yes.
universe actually.
Yes. Great, Pooja. You explained this very well. very well, and in very nice fluent way you explained this. So good. Are you using this in your life? Are you do you have you seen any change?
Yes, yes. Actually, in 2019, 2020, in the year 2020 around March 2021, I was facing depression and like some kind of suicidal attacks.
Suicidal
I did
thoughts.
in yes, suicidal thoughts in my life. But so then I changed. Then means I am not. I was in not give up mode. So
Yes.
I changed myself that I could not give up myself. So suddenly I changed these words and I go through the social media, means scrolling the social media, and that day I found the Tony Robbins. Means I thought, who is he? Like I researching about, and then I saw like, oh my God, it's like changing there many lives, many people's
I
life.
researched about him.
I searched about him.
I researched, not searched.
Okay,
To search
okay.
a thing, but for a person, when you want to know the background of somebody,
Hmm.
then you research about him.
Okay, I researched
Search
about him.
means search means to find something. I'm searching, but research means that the thing is already there. You're just getting to know about it.
Yes, right, right.
All right.
That time I know like that his famous book, Awaken the Giant Within. It's a
All
very awesome book.
great, Pooja. Had a wonderful conversation with you. And you are a confident speaker. You try to speak very well, but yes, few things still are need to improve. One is tense, very important. Past tense. Need to be very careful in which tense you are saying. So read about tenses. All right, which tense? Past tense. What is past continuous? Present continuous? Next session with any expert, take a class only on tenses to understand it
Okay,
better. All
okay,
right,
sure.
and make it a point to learn five new words, five new everyday words, not random new words, five new everyday words that we can use while we are talking to people,
Okay,
and daily interaction in English, not only on the platform but with your friends, with your family, whoever. The more you will speak in English, Puja, more you will get better.
okay.
Right? And keep smiling like this. You look much better. All right?
Thank you. Okay,
All right. And make small, small changes. Take out 15 to 20 minutes for your self assessment. Now that I told you tenses is a problem, read about tenses.